Here is a prayer to Saint Jude to replace your bad neighbors with good ones. Dear Saint Jude, patron saint of lost causes and desperate situations, I come to you with a heavy heart and a troubled mind. My neighbors have caused me great distress and discomfort, and I am in need of your divine assistance to replace them with better ones. Saint Jude, I ask that you intercede on my behalf and guide me towards finding new neighbors who are kind, respectful, and considerate. Please help me to attract people who will be good stewards of the community, and who will treat others with compassion and empathy. I pray that you will help me to release any negative energy that has been created by my current neighbors, and to replace it with positivity and harmony. I ask for your protection and guidance as I navigate this process, and I trust that you will help me to find the perfect solution. Saint Jude, please hear my prayer and grant me the strength and courage to make the necessary changes in my life. Thank you for your unwavering love and support, and for always being there for those in need. Amen.